This is a final video to fix KDE Connect connection and reliability issues on Linux. And if your phone keeps disconnecting, fails to pair, or works 1 minute and breaks the next, this video is for you. Are you facing a problem where KDE Connect does not detect your phone, drops the connection randomly, or refuses to send files and notifications even though both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network? This problem usually happens because Linux firewall rules block KDE Connect ports, background services stop working, or the network switches between IPv4 and IPv6 without notice. Sometimes power-saving settings also kill the connection silently. Many videos on YouTube and posts on social media explain this issue with long commands, confusing settings, or risky changes that normal users find hard to follow. That is why most people still struggle after watching them. On Rexish, I always focus on simple and safe fixes that actually work. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that stabilizes KDE Connect by fixing the root network permission problem instead of changing random settings. This trick takes very little time, works on most Linux distros, and does not require deep terminal knowledge. Once you apply it, KDE Connect stays connected, finds devices faster, and syncs without errors. I tested this method on real systems to make sure it works reliably. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that shows exactly what to do and where to click, comment below and let Rexish know. Your comment helps the channel and tells me what you want to see next.